Welcome to Hampton Roads Happenings. I'm Leanne Rains-Benedetto. There is a new life-saving partnership in Hampton Roads. It's the Sentara EVMS Comprehensive Head and Neck Center. And to talk about it, we're joined today by Dr. David Lieb and Dr. Dan Karakla. Thank you both for joining us. First of all, Dr. Karakla, let me start with you. What is the Comprehensive Head and Neck Center exactly?
It's a group that combines surgeons, endocrinologists, radiation oncologists, medical oncologists, pathologists, radiologists, research nurses. It's an entire multidisciplinary team that helps to treat head and neck cancer patients and thyroid cancer patients.
And Dr. Lieb, why is it such a benefit, the partnership between EVMS and Sentara with regard to this?
Sure. Well, it's that multidisciplinary approach that I think means so much. So patients have an opportunity to meet their surgeon, some of their medical doctors, their radiation oncologists. Sometimes in the same clinics. We have a thyroid biopsy clinic that we work in together, and people know that we're working together as a team, and I think that team approach is critical to their care.
And everything close by instead of people running out for this appointment and that appointment in many different places. I'm sure that's very beneficial for people who are going through something like this. Dr. Karakla, you say this is the only dedicated head and neck team, and how is that and why is that?
Well, the surgeons involved are fellowship-trained otolaryngologists, head and neck surgeons with their practices focused on head and neck surgery. This is what we do day in, day out. And the team is a group of individuals have subspecialty interest in that. And so because we're dedicated to doing care for patients with cancer of this part of the body, I think that we have an area, sort of a level of expertise that's much more advanced than some other programs in the vicinity.
And Dr. Lieb, I seem to hear more and more about these types of cancers, thyroid cancer in particular. Why is that?
Sure. Well, my specialty is specifically focused on thyroid cancer, and I can speak to that some. So there are almost 600,000 people in the United States living with thyroid cancer, wow. And we estimate that there'll be about 60,000 new cases each year. And a lot of the increased diagnosis of thyroid cancer is because of incidental nodules that are found in the thyroid when people have CT scans for other reasons or ultrasounds for other reasons.
And let me ask you, Dr. Karakla, you have support groups as well, so important for these types of cancers.
Right. There are 4 support groups at least, but the 4 that we work with for the most part: thyroid cancer support group. We have 2 chapters for the Lost Cord Club, which is a laryngectomy support group, larynx cancer support group, and our oral head and neck cancer support group.
Thank you both for joining us. Again, if you're interested in this new center and this new teaming of EVMS and Sentara, there's the number to call and the website to visit.